Hey guys, it's Shannon, Simply Shannon here. I have no makeup on. It is very hot outside. It's very humid. I have my fan going. I'm sorry if you guys hear the noise. It's just so hot in here trying to film. But I did want to film today. Like I said, I've been going through some stuff. I'm thinking of filming a video. Let me know what you think about this. I'm thinking of filming a video about the different things I use to help calm my anxiety and depression. Let me know if you guys would be interested in that. I have quite a few things that I've been using and experimenting with. So I would love, if you guys would be interested in seeing something like that, I'd be up to maybe filming that one and going into some more specifics for you. But right now, no makeup. Like I said, it's super hot. It's super humid and stuff, and I've just been last couple days have been a little bit more trying for me, so this is what you got. But I told you in my last Allure beauty box that I wouldn't be doing like BoxyCharm or Allure for a while. I think I'm gonna cut it off for the summer and then take it back up in maybe like October or something like that. I just got so many things I want to use, so many samples that I really don't need anymore right now, and I just want to kind of focus on what I have and do stuff like that. And to be honest, I'm gonna save a little money because there's a lot of new stuff out that I want to buy, and I do buy all this stuff, like I said, with my own money and stuff like that. So but before I canceled, I did get my last BoxyCharm, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox that one for you guys, and we'll see what we got. So okay, so see if it has a theme. Oh, road tripping. So that's the theme right there. I'm not going to open it up because then we'd see everything that is in it. There is a couple of codes on the back. One offer purchase, looks like, oh, here we go. We want a boxy fact. Did you know BoxyCharm's headquarters is located in Miami, Florida, home of the largest and grandest art and fashion industry? In case you didn't know. But let's go ahead and get into this. What's in the box? The first thing is this here. A Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. Okay, I'm a little bit excited about this is because it's made with argan oil. And you guys know my love of argan oil right now. So this is great. I did not have a blush that had any argan oil. It says for all skin types, while it carries all day long with argan oil, it contains it also brightens your face with its formula that does not dry the skin. So I'm actually very excited to try this. I haven't been using a lot of powder stuff on my face, but I definitely will this one if I like the... So it looks like I got Desert Rose. It's by Note. I've never heard of that brand before, but that's the packaging. Oh, pretty. That's a pretty color for the summer. It's a little bulky. Oh, it does have a little brush too, which I don't use, but it does have a little brush. Oh, and it even has a really nice mirror. Let's go ahead and swatch. Ooh, it feels really nice. Ooh, that's pretty. So I will definitely be trying that out here this coming week. Oh, so excited. So yeah, Note. I like that. Good, my argan oil. Next thing is Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel by Dr. Brandt. So this is something I've actually really wanted to try. You guys can tell, well, I do have a little bit of under eye concealer on. I just kind of dabbed it on today. But you guys can see I definitely have some little bags under my eyes and some darkness and some circles that I try to cover. After your eye moisturizer, warm a tiny amount between the fingers and gently pat directly on bags and dark circles. Use alone or under makeup. For best results, let dry in between applications. So I always thought this had an applicator, but I guess not. It says warm it between your fingers and then pat it on. So I'm definitely going to try this. I'm going to see how it fares up against my Becca one that you guys know that I love. So let's go ahead and check out prices for these ones so far. Let's see, since I already know what's in the box now since I've opened it. So the No More Baggage is full size and it's $42, which I know Dr. Brandt can be very expensive. The other thing is the blush is $11.99. So very excited about that one. The next thing is by Wander Beauty. This is the Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. So this one, I'm actually probably going to send this to my daughter, but I'm going to open it so you guys can see the brush. Oh, it's curved. She's going to, I don't know, she might like this. So that's the brush there. It's curved and then with a little twist. Can you guys see that? It's curved like with a little twist at the top. So that's kind of different and new. So I will be passing this on to Vic, but it is full size and it's $24. The next thing is by Cella. This is the Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. I don't know if I can use taupe. Oh, that's the product itself. Oh, okay, so it's a little brush with a little, you kind of dip it in there to get the product and put it on that way. It looks a little light for me, so yet again, this will probably be another one that goes to Vic. This is full size and it's $26. But it is kind of cool. And it's a nice size brush too. It's not like super tiny or anything, and it's not super stiff. It's got a little bit of play to it. So I think that's actually kind of nice. So she will be trying that. I won't be trying that one. All right, the last thing in here looks like a palette. And it is by Crown Brush, which I actually like Crown brushes. I have some of their brushes and I really like it. This is a palette. It's, see. Oh, that's pretty. That's very pretty. Nice big pans too. I like that it has nice big pans to it. So it looks like it has 4 mattes and 5. Hold on. 5 and 5. Hello, I can count. So let's swatch a couple. It really reminds me of the Tarte Toasted palette. I actually just thought of that. So here's the shimmers. Here's 4 of the shimmers. Ooh, the shimmers are pretty. Those are pretty. Let's do some of the mattes now. I used the Tarte Toasted palette just the other day, actually, so that's why it reminds me of this. Not too bad. Pretty colors, though. I will definitely give this one a shot. It is $29 regular price, so, I mean, we definitely get our value in these boxes. I'm not quitting it because of the value, or lack thereof. I mean, I love most of the products that I get in here. I've got to try some awesome products, so I just really need to take a break and use up some stuff that I have. And, you know, like I said, being it's summer and we're doing more traveling and that kind of stuff anyway, you know, we like to take day trips or do stuff, and so I'm just going to cut it off for a little bit, see how it goes, and then maybe pick it back up here in the winter months, or fall or winter months. So as you guys know, it is July, which is birthday month. So super excited about all the fun stuff. I will definitely be doing a video at the end of July with all my things that I got, or my favorite products that I got, so you guys can see some of the things that I got or really been wanting to try. And yeah, guys, that is it for the, like I said, this will be the last BoxyCharm for a while, but I will take it back up very, very soon. So I hope you guys have an amazing summer. Let me know if you found that one product that you guys have been really waiting on. Truthfully, I've really been wanting a blush with some argan oil, so I'm kind of excited. I really would like to try more cream blushes right now, but I'm definitely intrigued and will be trying this one out, and I will keep you guys updated. All right, I will see you in another one. Bye-bye.